What's going on, y'all? It's Key back with another freaking video, ladies and gentlemen. I do need to fix my mic settings. That's good. That's good, actually. I'm gonna write that down really fast. Yes, that is something that I need to do bad. Fix OBS microphone. It's peaking. Okay. I'll just do that because then that's all my other shit. Perfect. So I'm gonna show you guys the trade that I lost today. Today I lost 166 bucks. Not too great. Oh well though. So basically this is exactly what happened right here. So we came in. Here we are on the hourly time frame. This is a 4-hour bearish gap right here. We move into it. And then we respect it and continue moving down. So I'm like, okay, this could be potential shorts. We have this low resistance liquidity right here. I didn't think that it would tap all the way down there, but it could. But I didn't realize with this, we have a huge gap right here that we validated and then started going to the upside. This didn't really do much. We instantly came out, swept highs. Yeah, longs would have been the play. Longs would have been the play. I also got a cut to 2. Peep cut. It's pretty trim. It's pretty trim though. Okay. So why did I take this trade? Let me show you guys. Here's the 15-minute break right here. I entered on the break. And then we even had an order block up here that we tapped back into on this 4th candle. 4th candle from the 1st candle, we tapped back into order block. And I'm like, yeah, dude, we're golden. And we hit first take profit, which really wasn't a take profit. I was up like 90 bucks there. And then we started moving up. We created also a 15-minute, another bearish gap that we completely ran through. And by that time, my phone was in my pocket. It was over. And we lost the trade. But it's okay. The things that I could have done better on this trade were, for one, I mean, honestly though, I think I had good confluences, like 100%. Like if we go on the 4-hour here. Oh, and I didn't even see this. We have another big gap right there, a bearish gap that we come in, and then we respect this gap, and then that's insane. We respect this gap, move down, but then respect this bullish gap, and then start moving up. So that's really what you got to be careful of, guys, because the market will literally do anything. But I was 100% certain, like, especially after we came up here, swept out this liquidity, we moved down, and then we kind of had this buildup of this low resistance sell side liquidity, and then I'm like, oh yeah, we're golden, especially after we have order block getting tapped into. We have, at first, this 4-hour gap right here moves into respected, and then we start moving down, but then of course you can see we immediately inverse. And if I would have, because what I really need to quit doing is taking trades off my phone, because if you can see, like if we go on the daily time frame here, because like the higher time frames are gonna hold higher powers, you know what I mean? Now on the daily, okay, this gap, this bullish imbalance was respected, and then we filled, so there was no really shorts to be taken. Okay, we are validating bullish confluences on the daily time frame, but then also like, so like it's crazy how this works, because we have this big daily bearish gap that we move into and start moving lower, and then on the 3rd candle of this big manipulation move, we make another fair value gap, a bearish one on the daily that gets filled. And that's something that I didn't see. So really what I need to do is really slow down, look at the higher time frames, and really see what the bias is going to be. Because just like this, you know, I don't know why I thought shorts was a play when, you know, on the 4-hour. Well, really, I mean, I already told you guys why I believe that. Because we had this big 4-hour BPR right here that is not super huge. Is that not 4-hour BPR? No, the 4-hour BPR is here, which got completely inversed. Tapped it, moved down, and then completely inverse, so that's awesome. But yeah, I showed you guys why I believe, what is that, hourly? Or no, that's on NQ, it's a 2 hour gap. Bam, respected it, and then we had a 15-minute break to the downside as well as a 5-minute order block tap. Or no, it was a 15-minute order block tap, and then we literally hit first take profit, and then, yeah. Took out this liquidity, and then of course we're going to start moving to the upside. Because I didn't realize that this huge gap had been respected, and that's my own fault. So, oh nice, and now we formed another imbalance. We're just forming gaps all over the place, bro. That is nuts. But yeah, I lost 166 bucks today. I'm still up 926 for the week, so we are all good. But yeah. For tomorrow, honestly, I'd be looking for shorts. If we can, and really this isn't even a true fair value gap because this candle is still forming. So really not. We might have an hourly gap here. No, nothing. Oh, we do have an hourly gap here though. So hopefully for tomorrow we can hit EQ of this move potentially. Oh, we did. Okay, so I already hit EQ of that move. So I wonder, like, tomorrow, what, I mean, okay, so on NQ, let's go to the hourly. Okay, so really all we have on the S&P 500, I'd say that we might come down and take out this low tomorrow, but probably we'll just soar into all-time highs, low-key. So that's what I'll be looking for. If we, let's see, that's okay. So if I could have confluences and a fair value, if we could move down, form some fair value gaps, or maybe even move into this one, these ones down here, that, you know. So a break of structure, wow, okay. Would be, which we're doing right now, and that is a shitty RR. Wow, okay. So that's a terrible RR, and for some reason it put 50 cons. Then we also have this hourly fair value gap right here that the price could potentially react off of. Let's see if we have any other gaps or anything that price could react from. We do have this big 4-hour gap right here that we respected and continue moving up towards. We do have equal lows right here. We have data lows right here, and then we have previous Wednesday lows over here for 10 o'clock. This is New York session. Previous lows. Previous week, dude. It's at 26 now. So I don't think we'd come all the way down there, but that is a point of interest where we could see manipulation towards. But other than that, we have that gap. Let's see if we have any other gaps. Potentially 5-minute gaps. Yeah, a 5-minute gap inside of the hourly, and then we just have this low could potentially be taken out as well before we start moving higher. That's what I'd like to see. These lows get taken out before we start moving higher towards the upside. But then again, market does whatever it wants, you know what I mean? And like look at how price looks on the 1 minute, bro. Both indexes price on the 1 minute has just been like this. And as you can see, it literally just doing a whole lot of this. Like, look at this candle. Like, dude, this candle is nuts. Damn near open to close at the same point, but you wicked all the way up here. That is insane. But we really have marked out all the draws. I mean, we could see those get taken out potentially. do the same thing here. Could see either of those getting taken out, and then we also have this up there. These pretty stacked equal 5-minute lows we have right there. And yeah, now we've taken this liquidity, and we've taken buy side, so hopefully we'll be looking for shorts tomorrow, but that's all for me. That's the trade I took. That's why I lost it and what I could have done better. So yeah, I love you guys. Good 10-minute video. Let's go. You guys like the hair? Do y'all like the hair? Let me know. Love.